At number 5, the flamingo. With long, elegant legs and a graceful neck, their stunning pink color actually comes from the food they eat, shrimp and algae. Number 4, the toucan. Its giant rainbow-colored bill isn't just for show. It's lightweight, helping the bird pluck fruit from treetops. Number 3, the scarlet macaw. Found in Central and South America, this fiery red parrot with blue and yellow wings is one of the rainforest's brightest jewels. Number 2, the rainbow lorikeet. A true living rainbow. Red, blue, green, yellow, and orange feathers make it one of the most colorful birds on Earth.
And at number 1, the peacock. Known for its dazzling tail feathers with brilliant eye patterns, it's a symbol of beauty and pride across cultures.